installing Tiger 800 givi crash bars. So this is the bolt when it's supposed to, the one side supposed to go in. So it's basically washer and nut, and that you need to bang it back through it, and that was a nightmare. I had to heat it up. And the other part, this part, goes in between the frame and that bolt, and then tighten it up on the other side. Not easy, not easy. Final product. So this is attached here into the frame and engine. Another touch point, and another one there. And then the crossbar. That goes in between. Crossbar. And that should be another one going into that. I just haven't got time to finish that today, so that'll be a job for tomorrow. So one more bracket to be attached to.